Hello and welcome to HR Phoenix Electrical Services LLC. Thank you for taking the time to check us out. HR Phoenix Electrical Services is the electrical contractor of choice for commercial, industrial, and residential clients in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Whatever your electrical challenge, be it installation or service, we strive to provide you quality workmanship and excellence in customer service. We help you by solving problems other companies can't. We bring your lighting fixtures and electrical equipment back to life. In addition to installing and servicing the usual lighting, outlets, breakers, circuit boards, and more, we tackle unusual or extraordinary electrical issues that require extra care. Electrical equipment and service can be one of the more dangerous issues you need resolved in your home or business. HR Phoenix provides the extra care and knowledge to keep you and your environment safe. So, remember, for innovation and renewal, call HR Phoenix Electrical Services.